Hey everybody, what is up? It is Cubing Fun. I'll be teaching you how to solve the second layer of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So you should not watch this video if you do not know how to solve the first layer of Rubik's Cube. It's almost fundamental that you know how to solve the first layer before you learn the second layer. So here, the first layer is already solved. So the first thing you want to do is flip it over. So when you're solving the second layer, you want all the edges to be matched up in a solving position. So basically, like, pretend that this piece, this little block thing, pretend this is a orange and that's a blue. This is a blue, that's a red, which it is. That's a red, that's a green, all the way around. So you want that to happen. So here is how you make that happen. So first thing, you find an edge piece. These are edge pieces on the top that do not have any yellow in it. For example, this one. So the first thing you do is match up the edge piece like this with its center. So then you want to do you look and see what's on top. In this case, it's an orange. So you see if the orange is on the right, the orange center is on the right or the left. Here it's on the, so here it is on the left. So the simple algorithm you could do to get the edges in place is simply go U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, L prime. So now you got this edge in place. Go to the next one. Here's a red and a blue. No yellow on it. Match it up with center. The top center piece is on the left. So you do the algorithm again. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. So you look for another one. Here is one. Match it up with the center. The center's on the left. You go U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. So then you look for another one in case it's here. So here it's on the left again. So you go U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Now you've got the second layer solved. So this did not show all the cases I wanted to see. So I'm going to scramble this and get all the way to the first layer. So basically, guys, after this video, I'm going to have a haul. I'm not going to tell you on what, because I just don't want to tell you. I want it to be a surprise for you all. So I hope you're excited. And yeah, I hope to get some nice presents soon because my birthday's coming up. So I'm hoping to get some Rubik's Cubes. So yeah, I might also do a haul on them as well. So yeah, okay, this is good. First layer solved. So we look for a non-yellow edge piece. Here's one. So you match it up with center. This time it's on the right. You basically do the opposite. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. You look for another one. Here it's already matched up. It's on the left. So you do U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, L, F prime. So you've almost got the first layer solved. And this is not what I wanted to happen, but this is okay. So it's on the right. So you go U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. So now you've got the full second layer solved. Sometimes though, there will be no non-yellow edge pieces. So what you want to do is do with any of the yellow pieces you want, and try and solve, in quotes, because you're not solving it, a piece that is already not solved. So then a non-yellow edge piece will come up, and then you can continue on your way to solve the second layer. Sometimes that might happen twice, so hopefully it won't. So yeah, that's basically gonna be the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. If you have questions about the second layer, ask me in the comments. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, and bye.